Hey fam, let's make some crunchy, delicious fried fish. So I've got my fresh fish here, which I've really washed and cleaned so well. And I've just added some salt to it. I'm going to allow it to sit and marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes only. So this is to make sure that my fish is really tasty both inside and out, and not just the skin of the fish. So I'll start frying my fish, and sometimes to get a really nice golden brown fish, you can actually sprinkle some flour in your oil, but this time around I'm not using any flour, but I'm still going to achieve that beautiful golden brown fried fish. Once the fish starts frying, all you need is some patience. If you turn it too early, you'll have a hard time turning it over because it will be stuck to the pan, and if you're forced to do that, it will scatter in the pan, and you really don't want that. So you just leave it right back in the pan, allow it to fry a little bit more until you can turn it over without hassle. Once you're able to turn one side over, you repeat the same process with patience for the other side, and the rest is as easy as ABC. Just leave it to fry until golden brown, take it out, and then you get a really nice, really firm and not scattered fish. Don't leave it and go watch TV, it will burn. Stay by it and you love the results. And just like that, we have our golden brown, well fried, crispy, beautiful fried fish without flour, without any skirmishes, just salt and patience. And you can have this with fried yam, fried potatoes, rice, banku, chicken, or just by itself. I actually finished one before I was done frying because I couldn't resist. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, like it, subscribe, and comment below if it's a yay or a nay. See ya. Ciao.